Wala naman hong epekto po kung magpapalit po ng liderato o hindi. Yung pong impeachment trial kasi pareho lang naman po yung composition ng Senado. So liderato lang naman po yung pinag-usapan. So prepared at handa ang ating pong House Prosecution Panel to proceed with trial in the soonest time.
Sir, naka-apekto ba yung lack of a formal invitation from the Senate kung bakit siguro nagdalawang isip or nag-second guess ang House kung pupunta ba ng Senate today?
Well, hindi naman. Ang totoo, papunta na ho kami near the vicinity of the Senate. No? So, we will monitor the developments in the next couple of hours kung ano po yung mangyayari doon. So, as soon as we get notice that the Senate will actually convene into a Senate impeachment court, malamang magpupunta po kami talagang Senado.
So, can you confirm lang kung dahil pupunta kayo near the vicinity of the Senate and not sa Senate mismo, it's because of the volatility, if that's the right word, na nangyayari ngayon sa Senado? Is that a factor also? Kaya sa near the vicinity of the Senate lang kayo pupunta?
No, hindi naman. Ang totoo naman ho, syempre, we would also want to be at the Senate when the Senate impeachment court convenes. No? Kasi parang mahirap naman magpunta ho yung House Prosecution Panel doon kung hindi pa nagko-convene yung pong Senate impeachment court. So, as soon as we get notice that talaga magsisimula na po yung convening of the impeachment court, we will proceed there the soonest.
Sir, ba't hindi kayo dumiretso na sa Senate?
Well, tingin ko naman ho, kasi syempre kung halimbawa, nag-plenaryo lang naman ho sila pa at wala pa hong convening. Wala ho kaming personality to be there, no? But to be very clear, I think there will be documentation that will be submitted today as soon as a convening is done, particularly po yung entry of appearance ng mga public prosecutors.
Is there any invitation po to
No, there's no invitation. The only thing that we have would be the public pronouncement of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that we can go to the Senate at our option. Kung magko-convene na po yung Senate impeachment court, yun yung first. At syempre, yung pong liham ng ating pong Senate President na magko-convene na nga po in fact, yung pong Senate impeachment court ngayon pong hapon.
Is it safe to say na maaring hindi pumunta ang prosecutor sa Senado kung hindi matuloy ang pag-convene ng impeachment court?
I think if it doesn't convene, there would be no reason for the House Prosecution Panel to go to the Senate.
Regarding with the project prosecutor,
Wala pa ho. Pinipinal pa ho namin yung initial na listahan ng po private prosecutors.
During your meeting, sir, may mga names na kayo napag-usapan?
Siyempre may mga pangalan naman po in the last couple of days since the election of the public prosecutors. Pero siyempre, very important po na we disclose the private prosecutor names pagka ho more or less complete na po yung initial list.
Sir, may nasa impeachment manager?
I think bukas po. Yung pong supposed press con today, I think will be rescheduled for tomorrow for the presentation of the public prosecutors, including the impeachment manager.
Is it the same, sir, as a spokesperson? Or is it a different? Is that the same as a spokesperson? Or is it a different role?
No, it's a entirely different role. Manager is the one that coordinates with the Senate for administrative matters and also coordinates with the public and the private prosecutor. Meron hong ganyan in the previous impeachment proceedings.
Hindi mo prosecutor.
Ay, hindi po.
But the spokesperson will come from the prosecutors.
We will still decide kung magkakaroon po ng hiwalay na tagapagsalita. I think that will be announced as well as soon as we get the news.
So, Congressman Rene Torres, siya mismo sinabi niya, one of the spokespersons.
Sabi niya? Hindi ko alam.
Okay. Pero ilan spokespersons?
Hindi, wala pa hong pinal. No? So, malaya naman po ang lahat na ng mga kinatawan sa totoo lang. If they're supporting the impeachment, malaya po silang magsalita to support the impeachment effort.
Sir, officially, si Congressman Luis na yung chief prosecutor. Officially.
Wala ho atang ganong pagtatakda. Pero I think I would say na she would be the lead prosecutor kasi she's the chair of the House Justice Committee and she had shepherded the proceedings from the beginning up until today.
Sir, anong participation po ng mga members ng House leadership sa meeting ng Manila?
Well, syempre, very important po na this is a House leadership initiative. No? Ito po nga pagpapatakbo rin po ng House Prosecution Panel. So very important po yung papel po talaga ng liderato rin po dahil syempre it is not just the House Justice Committee nor the prosecution panel that is undertaking this proceeding, but it is the House itself, no, that had decided to impeach the Vice President. So rightfully so, na kailangan pong meron pong mga kinatawan din po mula sa liderato po ng Kamara.
Kung gusto,
Directive po ba sa Speaker?
Wala naman ho specific directive ang ating pong speaker, kundi talagang tugunan lang po ng House Prosecution Panel ang amin pong mandato sa Constitution.
kung just to clarify, kung makonvene ng impeachment court later, the prosecution's role is to submit an entry of appearance. Yun ba yung inaasahan?
Well, we will submit an entry of appearance as soon as the impeachment court gets convened.
Sino ba like to comment dun sa comment ng OSG dun sa iba to? Di ba masyadong late? Sana nilabas nila yun prior to walking.
Well, Puliman at Magaling ay nandun pa rin. Yung pong kanila pong submission. And it is within the period of 72 hours naman po. But I think that should put to rest the entirety of the government position on the arrest of Senator De La Rosa. Ibig sabihin, if that is the position of OSG, that should be the position of the Republic on the arrest of Senator De La Rosa. So, ibig sabihin, law enforcement agencies should comply with this particular OSG position.
So, ano yung significant?
Ngayon sa Senate. Sa tingin ba ang mga desisyon at gulo sa Senado, dahil sa impeachment?
Hindi ko alam. They have their own independent decisions and thinking. So, we will leave it to the senators and the Senate to make that determination for themselves.
For the record lang, ano yung importansya ng entry of appearance sa impeachment trial?
Well, mahalaga po yun kasi yun na po yung pagtatakda, no? Kung sino po yung magiging kinatawan ng House, no? Ng prosecution panel dito po sa kabuuan po ng impeachment trial. So, it is basically a formal communication of the House prosecution panel to the Senate impeachment court and to the defense na kami na po yung kakatawan dito po sa kaso po dito.
So, your king is service within the government connect ng leadership?
Hindi ako I'm not in a position to make a determination on an entirely separate legislative branch.
Sir, how big of a factor yung mga shifts sa Senate leadership when it comes to the prosecution panel's preparation?
Wala naman ho. Ang totoo naman po, like what I had previously stated already, it is just the leadership that will change. The composition of the Senate will remain the same. So we will still have to present each and every piece of evidence and to convince at least 16 senator judges that there is a reason to convict the Vice President.
Sir, ano ba yung importansya nitong Senate leadership at yung effect, nakikitang effect doon sa impeachment trial? Bakit? Kasi ginagawa ito, yung timing lang, sir, nung inaasahan na magsisimula na yung trial ng bill.
Well, like what I stated, no, we will leave it to the Senate to make the determination on their leadership, their entirely separate legislative branch. I'm quite certain the reasons for changing of the leadership is not just because of the impeachment or it is independent of the impeachment. So we will leave it po to the senators to make that determination.
But you don't see na may epekto, positive or negative, ito sa kaso, sir?
I don't think so po. We are prepared to make a presentation of the evidence irrespective of the Senate leadership. So kung may magpagbabago man po ngayong araw na ito o wala, handa po kaming sumuong po sa paglilitis.